or pencil so hard so that your fingers are hurting. The second rule is that never write so much hard on the paper so that the impression of your handwriting comes on the other page. Third rule is that either you writing a cursive writing or either you writing a normal writing, please see that there's some gap in between your each letter. And whenever you are writing, just sit straight, come forward, and if you are right-hander, just place your paper like tilted one, and if you are left-hander, just place your paper in a tilted one. And the last important thing is that you have to do all the basic hand exercise for improving your handwriting. My dear students, if you do this exercise drills regularly basis, so write your name today. Whatever your name is that, write your full name today, and after 8 to 9 days of continuous practice of these drills, which I'm going to tell you, then write your name afterwards. You will find a dramatical change. You will feel confident and you will feel that yes, my handwriting is improved. Okay, so I am showing you the basic hands exercise. What you all have to do, you have to sit in front of your laptops, because most of the time you are sitting in front of the laptops. You have to place your hands like this. In the technical term, this is an anatomical position. This is count step. So we are doing step 10. Count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you have to close your fist like this. But when you're releasing your fingers, it should be a very gentle and soft one. Hold the fist like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then massage your fingers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then make a knuckle shape like this. And similarly, when you have to release your hands, it should be a very gentle one, very soft one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then जिस तरह हम लोग अपने फिंगर्स पे मैथमेटिक्स की काउंटिंग करते हैं, now you have to do the mathematics counting with both the hands. 1, and press these things with the tip of your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Do it 2 times. Then massage your hand like this. Whenever I know you are having a 6 periods in a day, like I am taking 2 to 3 minutes of the technical setup, some people and some are joining. So in between that time, you will all have to do this drill. Is that clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, now,
Yes, sir.
so now I am now repeating. Very good, nice dear. So now I am repeating this drill, and I want that you all people do this drill with me. Now it's my